Hey everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this presentation. Over the course of the next 5 or so minutes, I'm going to explain all the changes I hope to make to our school library. Before I do this, I feel it's necessary to explain why we should be making any changes at all. There are three factors driving these changes, and the first is a revisioning of what a library should be. The traditional model no longer serves the needs of modern users. Public institutions have already realized this and have adjusted their practice. Modern libraries or learning commons are a place people go to engage with information through hands-on exploration, a place people go to develop digital citizenship skills and contribute new knowledge through the creative application of tools and skills. They are a place where users go to socialize, collaborate, and study. The second factor driving changes in our school library are the modern learners. Modern learners are not passive recipients of new information. They want to be engaged. They want to participate and explore in a hands-on way. Adjusting our learning commons to meet these unique needs doesn't just cater to digital natives, but rather equips them with the skills they will need to be active, successful participants in the 21st century. The final factor driving changes in all BC school libraries is the new curriculum. The new curriculum places a heavy emphasis on 21st century skills. Critical thinking, creative and computational thinking, as well as communication and collaboration skills are embedded throughout the entire curriculum. Furthermore, specific digital citizenship skills are a major point of emphasis in the ADST curriculum. However, these skills are not restricted to ADST, but rather taught with the intent they be used across the curriculum with the goal of engaging students in the creative learning process. Ultimately, the changes I am proposing will modernize our library, do a better job of supporting modern learners, and help teachers implement the new curriculum in an authentic way. The changes I am about to propose are being made with the goal of creating a library learning commons environment that supports digital literacy education, metacognitive development, and makerspace and ADST initiatives for K-7 students through the incorporation of appropriate technology, user-friendly resources, and collaborative opportunities. So where are we right now? What needs to change? In terms of the physical layout, we need to create more space. There's no room for collaboration, creative inquiry, or for students or teachers to present information. Bulky couches and chairs, as well as bulky bookshelves, take up most of the floor space. There's not enough seating and not enough room to adjust the learning environment. We also need to increase the amount of technology available to our learners. We currently have 2 tech carts, but neither features a classroom set of designated technology, making it difficult for teachers and students to master new skills. The computer lab needs an additional 5 computers, so we have a class set, and we need to supplement our ADST and media arts technology to encourage the creative learning process by giving students a variety of ways to explore new information and share their learning with others. Currently, the makerspace and ADST resources at our school are underutilized. In an effort to support teachers in the implementation of the ADST curriculum, I plan to catalog lesson plans for each makerspace resource, transform the messy library storage room into an open access maker lab, consolidate all of the school's existing makerspace and STEAM resources into the maker lab, and supplement this equipment with 2 new scroll saws and a new 3D printer, as well as offer ADST programming, including a primary maker challenge each week, grade 6-7 ADST exploratories, as well as offer teachers collaboration time throughout the year during which they can book the Maker Lab and co-teach an ADST unit with my support. Not only do these changes support teachers in the implementation of the ADST curriculum, they also give students access to the tools they need to engage in hands-on exploration. They promote the development of specific ADST skills and support ADST curricular content. ADST and STEAM activities have the added benefit of promoting the development of specific metacognitive skills like critical and creative thinking by giving students the opportunity to engage in open-ended problem-solving activities. They also encourage students to communicate and collaborate as they engage with the design thinking. Media arts will play a central role in our redesigned library. Media arts offers students a unique way to share their learning using techniques like video recording, green screens, audio recording, and digital presentations. Allowing students to share their learning in a variety of ways encourages the acquisition of tool-specific skills and also supports the ADST digital citizenship content. To promote digital media in the redesigned library learning commons, a green screen will be incorporated into the back of the Maker Lab, as well as a recording booth. In terms of technology, we have plenty of iPads, computers, and mics. we will need to purchase clip-on lenses for the iPads. In terms of technology, I plan to update our resources by purchasing 12 new laptops and storing them in a portable card so we have a complete classroom set that can be booked out by teachers and used by students as necessary. I plan to do the same thing with the school iPads. We will also need to purchase 5 new desktop computers so we have a complete computer lab available for student use and teacher bookings. The projector will be moved to a central location so it is better suited to collaborative endeavors by teachers and students as well as student and teacher presentations. Finally, I plan to purchase 12 new clip-on camera lenses. These resources will help with the implementation of our digital citizenship curriculum, will support ADST digital citizenship computer use and communication device content, as well as help students develop essential research and tech literacy skills. Although these resources support the ADST curriculum directly, they have cross-curricular applications in that they equip students with the skills necessary to share their learning in a variety of ways, including media arts presentations like screencasting, podcasting, and slide presentations, and equip students with widely applicable research and inquiry skills. By making these resources openly available to students, we encourage them to engage in learning independently, give them the tools they need to collaborate, and encourage them to share their learning with others. For teachers, these resources allow them to engage their students in creative learning, create meaningful tasks using the SAMR model, and incorporate technology in a purposeful and authentic way in accordance with the ISTE standards. In an effort to save money, this plan minimizes the number of changes that will be made to the library's physical space. The computer lab will be extended along the rear wall of the library to accommodate the 5 new computers we will purchase. The projector will be moved to a central location, and the bulky bookshelves will be moved against the wall or disposed of and replaced with smaller portable shelving units. The large and bulky furniture will be disposed of or moved to the reading lounge next to the Maker Lab. Portable furniture will be purchased, giving the students and staff the flexibility to create a learning environment suited to their unique needs. Collaboration centers will be made by purchasing whiteboard tables and attaching whiteboards to empty walls. The library storage room will be converted into a Maker Lab, outdated resources will be weeded from the collection, and privacy desks will be incorporated into the reading lounge to give students a place to work independently. These changes are designed to create more room in the library, allow students to create a flexible environment suited to their unique learning needs, encourage collaboration by equipping students and staff with the tools and space necessary to begin the collaborative process, while also respecting individual learning needs by giving students and staff independent workstations and a quiet reading corner. In addition to streamlining the library's physical layout, updating the library's resources, and promoting inquiry, student-led learning endeavors, and ADST, this new library vision places an emphasis on collaboration and professional development. It's not enough to give teachers resources to use, they need to be given instruction on how to effectively use them. To achieve the Learning Common Collaboration goals, I will work with staff members to implement new and repurposed resources. I will collaborate with the District Teacher Librarian PLC to facilitate cross-institution resource and curriculum sharing, work with the District Tech Committee to co-create and implement a unified digital citizenship curriculum, reach out to organizations like Code.org that offer tech tool training, work with the local Pro-D Committee to plan and implement effective district-wide digital education and ADST sessions, create physical spaces within the Learning Commons that encourage collaborative endeavors and sharing both by students and teachers. By taking these steps, we will create a Learning Commons that actively supports the communication core competency. All of which to say our redesigned library will feature flexible furniture allowing teachers and students to create learning environments tailored to their unique needs, ample space for presentations, access to technology that supports collaborative and independent learning initiatives, while making it easy for teachers to incorporate cross-curricular digital activities in their classrooms. There will be resources that encourage collaboration, a Maker Lab to support the ADST curriculum, integrated technology, professional development opportunities for members of the community, streamlined resources to support curricular implementation, the resources necessary for student-led learning initiatives and authentic engagement, as well as the tools necessary to prepare our students to effectively navigate the digital world through digital citizenship education and explicit instruction of thinking, communication, and problem-solving skills. In other words, our new library will be perfectly suited to the demands of the 21st century, support the learning of digital natives, and assist with the implementation of our tech-heavy curriculum.